Good afternoon, families. It is Thursday, April 18th, 2024, and I'm coming to you with our Robot Roundup vlog for the week. So we'll get right into our top two. Our top two this week. Spring is here, and along with it seems to be allergies, and we have a need for Kleenex and Clorox wipes. So if you're able, please, could you donate some Kleenex boxes and wipes to just help us through this itchy and sneezy and runny noses that seems to be happening, and some wipes to keep our tables clean and our surfaces germ-free. That'd be amazing. Number two, Earth Day is next week, Monday, April 22nd, 2024. And in honor of a beautiful Earth Day and our gorgeous planet Earth, I'm sharing a website from the United Nations Environment Program. It's translatable into multiple languages. Just take a minute and learn a little bit about single-use disposable plastics. It's kind of time we change a little bit how we produce, consume, and dispose of the plastic that we use on planet Earth. Now, let's get into our vlog points for the week. In phonics, we've completed our long U investigation and learning by working through and learning about the two different sounds long U makes. U as in unicorn and oo as in ruby. Moving forward, we collected all of our phonics workbooks, and I'm putting them aside until almost the end of the year, where we're going to come back and have one last 5-day set of reviewing our phonics before the end of the year. In between that, then we'll be doing some phonemic awareness instructions. So if you're wondering what phonemic awareness is, it's a student's ability to identify and manipulate individual sounds, phonemes, in spoken words. Then we'll be using that time to create some independent reading group centers. So this next week, the class and I are going to work together to create stations of independent learning. So then Ms. Jones and I will be working with small groups to tailor our instruction for student needs on things like reading, writing, all good things in phonics. In math, we have been practicing counting by 5s and 10s on a reckon rec, which is an abacus, up to 100. And then using our fingers to do what's called a math push-up. So showing 10 and then kind of literally pushing our fingers up and saying 110. So 110, 210, 310. 3 tens is 30, 3 and a 0. We also use some linking cubes to go through change unknown stories, so subtractions. Some bears were in the forest, a few went away, now there are 5 left, and using some clues to figure out how many left or how many were there at the beginning. We also are going to be playing a game tomorrow called Math Detective, where one student becomes our detective, stays out in the hall, and the rest of our students in the classroom will select a small group where a few of them will hide, and the math detective has to come back in to discover how many people are missing from the selected group. So, kind of fun. In science, we completed our balls and ramps investigation. Today we explored how heavy and light balls roll differently down short ramps and tall ramps. We noticed that a ramp's height actually affects the speed of a ball, and balls of different sizes and weights roll down that ramp differently and farther. Turns out heavier balls roll farther and faster than lighter ones, and a heavier ball can knock over an object when a lighter ball cannot. We also completed our Toys Come Home book this week. Oh, I've already put it away. We learned that our new toy plastic joins the little girl's playroom and then immediately started asking really big questions like, why is the sky blue? And why are we here? And this kind of makes Lumpy feel pretty uncomfortable and anxious, and he becomes filled with dread because none of the other toys know the answer, why are they there? Now, Stingray and Lumpy and Plastic end up working together and just kind of supporting each other after a few sleepless nights, and they're in a closet at the end of the hall. And that's when, as they're all cuddled together and trying to comfort and calm Lumpy down, Stingray realizes she's figured out the answer to Plastic's big, difficult question. Why are we here? They're here for each other, to be together forever, which is a pretty wonderful message indeed, because aren't we all? Well, I hope you've had a fantastic week. Please, please, please stay warm, stay healthy, get outside if the weather's nice, although it looks like it might be a little cold this weekend. And I will see you next week on Monday for Earth Day. Okay, bye.